So if you come across a Smallrig handle and you're thinking like, should I get it? It's a good one. Like look no further, it's a good handle. I use it, I love it. Go ahead and check it out, you're gonna be happy. But if you're trying to figure out if you even need a top handle, what they use for it, and kind of my opinion of it, then stick around because we'll dive right into that. So right off the back, is a top handle something you absolutely need? Yes and no. I've actually shot for 7 years without a top handle, and I recently got one, and I can say it has improved the way that I use my camera and the way it functions, but you can definitely get by without one. Now what I love about the handle is it's built pretty good. It feels pretty solid in your hands, and when it's mounted to my camera, I've never questioned like, is it gonna fall off or any of those things. It feels secure, it feels great, it feels like it was made rugged and something that you can rely on. Another couple things that I love about it is that I'm able to mount multiple things on it. I typically mount my monitor on top of here along with my Rode Wireless Go. I've mounted a V-mount battery on it a couple of times, and it definitely works to where like if you have random things that you need to mount to your camera for whatever reason, it's nice to have options for mounting additional things to your camera should you need to. So those are the things that I love about it. Some things that I wish could be improved, or maybe just things that I don't like about it, is I have kind of big hands, and I do wish it was a little bit bigger. You can see my hand almost covers all of it, so maybe just another inch or so would be perfect for my hand size. The other thing is I don't absolutely love the way that this screws in. I know they have some that have like a quick release adapter, and those seem pretty intriguing. I guess for the price, it's not something to complain too much about, but when you're trying to tighten it, sometimes it can go sideways and make it a little bit difficult if you're in a rush. When it comes to shooting, the things that have changed for me is getting those low angles. I have kids and I'm constantly changing them around, making videos of my family. And when I'm trying to get those low angles of their feet or just them playing, it's nice to have a type handle to make that shot actually smooth. And it's nice to get footage that's actually usable. Is it make or break? Is it something that's gonna absolutely change the way that you shoot? I think yes and no. If you're gonna do more handheld stuff, then absolutely go for it. But if you're somebody who's gimbal more often, a top handle is a good, nice to have, but not a must have. That's all I have for you guys in this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.